Welcome to Space to Ground, I'm Isidro Reyna. This week, the science continues on board the International Space Station.
The AstroBee project team conducted a remote science session during the coronavirus shelter-in-place order. AstroBees are next-generation free-flying robots that operate in the interior of the space station. Their primary purpose is to provide a flexible platform for research on zero-gravity free-flying robotics, able to host a wide variety of payloads and software. The team commanded AstroBee remotely from an individual team member's home versus the usual procedure from Ames Research Center. The crew worked on the manufacturing fiber optic cable and microgravity, or space fibers experiment, which evaluates a method for producing fiber optic cable in space. Manufacturing fiber optic materials in space has the potential to provide a higher performance product, offering dramatically lower transmission losses. This could set the stage for improved imaging, remote sensing, and next-generation optical communications on Earth.
As we prepare to usher in a new era of human spaceflight on May 27th, NASA and SpaceX are gearing up for the first operational crewed flight of Crew Dragon.
The SpaceX team completed a static fire test of Falcon 9's second stage engine, which will propel Crew Dragon toward the space station. Additionally, NASA has assigned astronaut Shannon Walker to the first operational crewed flight of Crew Dragon. Walker will join NASA astronauts Michael Hopkins and Victor Glover Jr., as well as Soichi Noguchi of the Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency, for a 6-month expedition aboard the orbiting laboratory. The Crew 1 mission will be the first in a series of regular rotational flights to the station, following the Demo 2 mission, which will be the final major step before NASA's Commercial Crew Program certifies the Crew Dragon for operational, long-duration missions to the space station.
Keep sending in your questions using the hashtag AskNASA. We'll see you next week.